Hello, everybody. This is Heidi with Revive Wellness and Aesthetics. And today I want to talk about some of those uncomfortable menopause symptoms. A major one being bloating. It is normal to have some bloating. It's normal to have gas in your bowels. You make lots of it every day when you digest your food. But during perimenopause and menopause, these changing levels of hormones can cause an increase in bloating, and it can be really uncomfortable. So your estrogen levels fall, which can affect how your gut works. So menopause bloating tends to come and go in waves, and it can last for days, weeks, or even months at a time in some cases. There has been a surge of interest in both hormones and gut health. And every system in the body is connected, and our gut is very much linked to our overall health and our hormone balance. Within the gut, there's a collection of bacteria. This is called the Strobolome. You don't need to remember that. All you need to know is that these bacteria affect estrogen levels in the body, and they can impact things like weight, mood, and libido, which are other common symptoms with menopause. So when your gut bacteria are out of balance, you also experience that bloating. And all of these are common symptoms in menopause, perimenopause, postmenopause even. In fact, gut imbalances can be a factor in early menopause. So keeping the gut in balance is key to keeping our hormones in balance. So the gut bacteria, they also aid in the synthesis and regulation of hormones and neurotransmitters, which is a contributing reason that depression is common, and anxiety is common with gut imbalances and menopause. For example, maybe you've heard of serotonin or dopamine, knowing that these are important neurotransmitters that affect our mood. Serotonin is kind of known as the happy hormone. Dopamine is that feel-good hormone. 90 to 95% of the serotonin in our bodies is produced in the gut, and dopamine, 50% of dopamine is produced in the gut. So when your gut is imbalanced, it really can affect the levels of serotonin and dopamine in your body. So another reason to keep your gut in balance. So how do you know if your gut is imbalanced? The first symptom is hormonal imbalances. If you are experiencing hormonal imbalances, it is likely that your gut is imbalanced as well. Weight gain, moodiness, depression, anxiety, fatigue, food sensitivities, even skin irritations, these are all related to gut health. So how can we improve gut health and achieve hormonal balance? At Revive Wellness and Aesthetics, we take a holistic approach in our clinic with our patients, and we combine lifestyle changes with bioidentical hormone replacement therapy to effectively correct some of these imbalances and help relieve some of the symptoms you may be experiencing. A few things we focus on. First is diet, is a major factor in the balance within your microbiome. That is your gut. Every bite that you take can influence the balance of bacteria. Fiber especially is huge for hormonal balance, for gut balance, obviously, and hormonal balance. Fiber helps detox estrogen once it's been used in the body. The environment that we are in, so things in your environment such as fragrances and pesticides and plastics and household products, these can be high in what are called xenoestrogens, estrogens that are not made by the body. So trying to eliminate a lot of those, because those xenoestrogens can also affect gut health. So trying to eliminate those from the environment. Antibiotics is another one. Definitely a time and place for antibiotics, but being very cautious and considerate about how and when those are used. Alcohol is another thing that alcohol is actually considered an endocrine disrupting chemical. And so, everyone likes to have a little fun, but be very cautious about how much alcohol is taken in. And then exercise. Exercise is a great way to help with the not just gut health, but the detoxification process that's important to endocrine balance. So lifestyle, nutrition, physical activity, stress management is another big one for gut health. We work with all of these things at Revive to help find balance in your physical health and balance in your lives. So schedule a consultation with us. You can reach us at 435-9334. We look forward to seeing you.